And what's good, YouTube? Man, it's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, guys. Today was rampage mode, man. I just have been thinking about this Apex account, thinking about all my other accounts, man. I'm like, today, I'm off today. I took off today. Me and my wife took a trip to Nashville over the weekend for our anniversary. So I just decided to take off today, man. Got some other things I gotta do and I'll show y'all. But starting off with trading, because that's why you guys are here, because I'm a day trader, man. Working a 9 to 5. I just took off today. But I've been thinking about this Apex account, man. I said today, we finna push this joker over today, man. So I took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took about 5 or 6 trades this morning, man, on my 50K funded account. If you guys don't know, Apex sent me an email saying I got to do all these rules and stuff. That kind of like made me mad over the weekend, man. I said, you know what? I'm finna tap in or lock in on Monday and take some trades. I'm finna be savage mode, man. So I'm getting ready to take you to the Apex account and show you the trades that I took. All right, guys. So this is micro NASDAQ. And if you can see, the market is ranging in between these top white lines, the top and the bottom white line on the 4-hour time frame. So just giving you guys an overlook. But notice that the market on, I think, June 1st or something like that, the market had touched this blue line, which is a 4-hour demand setup. And it also touched this white trend line. So that means and gives me indication that the market wants to potentially go up. Yeah, you see all them reds and blues. I went rampage today, man, but I had a specific game plan on what I was doing. So I'm gonna go to the lower time frame to show you guys what I did. All right, guys, so as you guys can see, on June 30th, the market had tapped that white trend line that I was talking about, and also tapped that 4-hour demand setup. That was huge, because that means that once it tapped and closed above it, that means that the market wants to potentially go up. So this is what I did. So this morning, around about 4 a.m., somewhere in there, I had took a trade. I didn't know whether this thing was going to break out or not, so I said, you know what? I believe that the market is going to come touch this trend line again. It's going to come touch this white trend line and then take off. So I got in for a sale, and immediately that went against me, man. I said, okay, switching my bias. I was thinking that it was going to come grab these liquid zones right here and then take off. That's what I was aiming for, because we couldn't go above this small trend line right here. So it ended up proving me wrong, man. It kept respecting this 15-minute demand setup that I had drawn out. Now this trade right here, we ended up I noticed that the market did not want to come below this blue line, so I was like, okay, switching my bias is definitely in buys after touching that main trend line. So I said, you know what, we definitely in buys. Once it break this trend line right here, this little small trend line, we in buys. I was aiming for this liquid zone right here, multiple rejections right there. I said this is gonna come out to be probably about a 1 to 7. So I end up winning my money back on this trade plus a little bit. So I end up coming out of this trade with like $100 and something. So I made my money back and plus a little bit. So that put the account at almost 51,000. So the last time I remember recording, I left the account at like 850K and 800 and some change. So real money that's mine that I'm gonna have a payout with is like $800 and some change. And I had finally got this account back to $1,000. So I was like, okay, cool, man. I just waited to see what was gonna happen, man. And guys, I said, okay, I see something else that I need to pay attention to, man. If you guys can see, look at all those rejections. I'm not really a support and resistance guy, but I couldn't help but see this. All this support and resistance right here, guys. This is where I took like the 3 or 4 trades, man. I said one thing that I had to pay attention to was my intraday trailing drawdown. So my intraday trailing drawdown was at about $1,800 or something like that. I can't remember, man. But I just said, you know what? I'm finna scalp the heck out of this thing, man. I am finna get in and get in hard. So what I did was drew this up, all the support and resistance, and I just kept scalping this thing for 1-to-1s until I got the account at like $1,500, which is $51,500 because it's a 50K account. I said, you know what? We just gonna scout this joker. And just self-explanatory, man, not gonna take long on this. So what I did was I did a 25-point stop loss, and I said, you know what? I'm only taking 1-to-1s. Once I see the market keep touching it, I'm gonna take it again. Once the market come back to it, I'm gonna touch it again or take it again. So the very first time, I know the market was gonna come grab all this, so I waited patiently. Once the market came down to this white line, where you see that white line that on the outside, I took, as soon as the market came down to it, I took the trade. It hit my TP for 250. I took it again. The market came down and then it went back up to it. I took another trade, hit another 250, and then the market came down to the bottom of this yellow box. I took a $150 trade. It hit it again. But all I know is the market just kept rejecting. It kept going up to it, coming down, going up to it, coming down, going up to it, going down on the lower time frame. We go to the 5 minute. In real time, it just kept going up, going down, going up, going down, going up, going down. And I just kept scalping the heck out of that joker, man. When it is all said and done, guys, we came out of the market with profit. We lost that first trade, we got the second trade, and all these were dubs right here, man. I just kept scalping for $250 to $100 to $150. I can't even remember, guys, but I scalped the heck out of that joker, man. We got the account at $51,533.32, which is really $1,533.32 of profit. Today, guys, we made $666.92, man. Talk about going rampage, man. I said, you know what, Apex, I'm finna lock in and tap in. We going in hard, man. I'm finna scalp the heck out of this joker, man. Now I'm getting ready to show you guys my intraday trailing drawdown with this account. All right, guys, what we're gonna do is click this little thing over here. As you guys can see, that's the account. The profit that we at on TradingView is the same thing. The profit that we made, $666.92. If I click this X right here, you will begin to see our intraday trailing drawdown. Guys, I'm only $4 away, $3 and actually like 11 cents. So we are almost back at full intraday trailing drawdown. That was my game plan, just to scalp 1-to-1s off those rejections and get all of my intraday trailing drawdown back. It paid off, man. Yeah, man, we went a little hard today, but hey, it is what it is. It's in my scaling plan, my trading plan, however you want to call it. We just gonna do what we gotta do, man, to get this thing to a payout. They want me to email them my setups and what was my thought process. I'm getting ready to do that. Apex, here I come. Cause y'all might have woken up a beast, man. Y'all might have really woken up a serious trader, man. Man, I really ain't never scalped like that, but man, it feel good today, man. Good trading today. Good trading. We went ham today. Well, that didn't go as planned, guys. So I ended up going to 2 pawn shops, and I didn't record because I didn't find nothing, man. So yeah, that didn't work out, man. But I think I'm gonna just close the video here, guys, because I had a whole plan of showing you guys this speaker and stuff and hooking it up. So I guess I'm gonna have to try to fix this old one, man, and see what happened. I don't know, man. I have to take it all the way apart and stuff. Like I said, good trade today. I want to refer to this. We looking to get a payout with this account, man. I'm on go mode. You know what Coach Prime said? The Colorado Buffaloes say they thought we couldn't do it. Oh, we coming. They thought we wasn't gonna prosper. We coming. They didn't think that we was gonna get a payout. They didn't think that we was gonna follow the rules. Guess what? We coming. They didn't think that nothing is possible and there is no way this cat can make this happen. Guess what? We coming. On that note, peace, blessings. I love y'all, man. Until next time, and you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1, I holla. Peace out, baby. Guess what? Apex, we coming.